Y'all, welcome back to the YouTube channel. As you can see, we're on the Lowrider S. I think I need a better exhaust on there, but yeah, we're out here riding the Lowrider S on some back roads. It's a beautiful day out here today. The heat wave seems to finally be over, so that's good. It's over 100 degrees and stuff like that. It's just not fun to ride in, honestly. So I've been having to like ride like during the evening once it cools down a little bit. Even then it's still like 90 degrees and stuff, which it's not that fun, but better than 100. But just on a Lowrider ST today. I did get some new motorcycle pants. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm glad they actually fit, because I've always had trouble trying to find motorcycle pants that fit. I'm 6'1", about 190 pounds, but I'm not like, I'm still like average size, so it's like they either fit good or just too long, or they're too short or something. But these actually fit perfect, so I'm happy about that. Every other pair I've bought have either been too baggy or something, or too long. It just doesn't look good, so I'm glad I didn't have to return these, and gives me a little bit of protection. Obviously I still don't have a good jacket. I need to find one of those, but that's, you know, that's next on the list. As you can see, some nice farmlands over here. Got some horses over there, and then some corn. I love this little back road out here. There's, once you get up to this main part up there, there's some traffic, but sometimes, I guess, just depends if you're lucky enough not to get stuck behind somebody. But you know, it's, even if you do, it's still nice riding, nice for cruising. The last weekend I actually went on a ride with a friend, a buddy of mine from high school. I haven't seen him since high school, and then obviously I graduated back in like 2015, so it's been a while. But yeah, met out somewhere back in Virginia, like 30 minutes away from here. And then we pretty much went on like a 2-hour drive around to like different little areas and stuff, which was cool. It was fun. You know, I usually don't ride with anybody, just because I don't like, especially if it's strangers and stuff. I'm not gonna ride with random people like that. But I know he's had a motorcycle way before I even had one, so he was trying to ride. So I was like, you know what, let's hang out, let's ride. I could have recorded that, but you know, I haven't seen him in like almost 10 years now. So I just figured I'd go out and enjoy the ride with him and not have to worry about, you know, filming a whole video and stuff. But you know, we're definitely going to be riding again, so I'll probably record that. And I think he's going to be coming out here next time instead of me driving all the way out there. But yeah, during the ride it started raining like crazy. It was, I mean, it wasn't bad. I actually enjoyed, the rain felt good, because like I said, we've been having a heat wave and stuff, so like actually having the cold rain while riding was actually kind of nice. I was soaking wet, obviously, but it was cool. And then I had to like drive home an hour in the rain, but you know, I was on a Harley, so it was all good. Let that person go. Yeah, you see, this is West Virginia right here. All these little back roads. It's awesome out here. The Harley is about 1,000 miles away from the 5,000 mile service, so I didn't ride it that much at all last winter also. So one good thing also about being out here is, and there being a lot of Harleys, is there's a lot of independent shops. And you know, if I can save some money taking my Harley there for service and maintenance instead of the dealership, then I'll do that. Obviously, I think the first service I ever got, like the 1,000 mile service on this thing, was like almost $600, which is crazy. But yeah, obviously the first service I always want to go to the actual dealer and make sure it's all good. But you know, I'm definitely going to be calling around, getting some quotes for the 5K service. It seems to be a few, like a good amount of good shot, like what am I trying to say? Can't speak today. There's a good amount of shops out here that seem to be pretty good. So like the reviews are pretty decent and stuff. So obviously I'm gonna try the best one first and see what they say. But yeah. yeah, this is just a nice little ride, you know. So it's supposed to kind of be like a little town right here, but it's really not. I'll open up my visor. Hopefully it's not too loud. I'll slow down anyway, but I want some fresh air. Lots of cars going the way I'm trying to go. I usually go to the right, never been to the left, so I don't know what's down there. I'm gonna have to go down there at some point and see what's up. A lot of cars going this way, but there is a lot of passing lanes, and we're good to go. Getting a little crazy on the Loretta, you know. A lot of interesting stuff out here. National Fish Health Research Laboratory. I don't know what the heck that is, but a lot of like stuff like that. This person's going really fucking slow. I'm gonna have to pass them. Don't like passing on double yellows, but man, would never do that in my actual car or truck, but on the bike it's a little different when it's obviously it's not safe to do that. I'm not saying it is, but when you're on a straightaway and you can see what's in front of you, you know, so be it. But obviously you don't want to do it when there's like hills like this and you can't see over them. You always want to be able to see what's coming in the opposite lane. That's why you don't want to ever do that on turns, blind turns, or really hilly roads where you can't see in front of you. Usually want it to be flat and straight, like it's going to be up here. I kind of want to get in front of these cars too. But as you can see, there's a big hill coming up, so I'm not going to do it right now because I can't see in front of that. And the last thing I want to do is, you know, delete myself off the face of the earth right now. So, you know, we'll just slow down a little bit and cruise behind them until we get an opening. But yeah, look at all this, man. This is beautiful riding right here. This is what it's all about. Why are they going so slow, man? Speed limit out here is 50, not 45. Another biker. After this hill, I'm passing them. Yeah, but that's why you don't want to do it on a hill, because you can't see the cars. But as you can see now, I have a hole. I can see all the way in front of me. So that's perfect. That's what you want. Obviously, you want to judge the distance that they're away from you. Like, I knew I was going to make that easily, but, you know, you just never, if it looks like you're not going to make it, just don't risk it. Just ride behind a car for another fucking couple of minutes. Like, it's not worth your life. But, like, as if it was right now, there's no way I'd be passing. Even if I had right now to go, nah, that's too close for comfort. You know, you don't want to be doing something incredibly stupid. But, we're about to be on the highway. I don't know how long this video is. I don't want it to be too long, but so I'm gonna cut it off here. I'll probably be riding the ZX6R in the next video, and then we'll probably alternate like that, you know, from Harley to ZX to Harley and stuff. Yeah. But thank you guys for tuning in and checking out some of these back roads with me. Hope you guys, well, hope the heat wave, if you guys had one where you guys are, is over. Because, you know, it's not fun riding in a heat wave. Other than that, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.